Welcome to Impact TV presents Brainwave Quiz Season 1, presented to you by Lamjingba Youth Development Association. Yairipok Angtha, akoina ngasi pangthok chariba thoram asi Brainwave Quiz Season 1 gi semi-finals round ni akoina pangthok chariba thoram asina akoi takhelbam konjin hiang thangi sangai bazar manungda leiba devela multipurpose auditorium hall manungdani aigi ming tenjing prokhambam yengbiriba myam pumnam ko ikok nona khurumjari ngasigi Team A, B, and C semi-finals round की दमकता कोई की हॉल से दलंगशिन दुना लेरे कोई की हाना की सु कोई पुल में याम तक की winner और एक रबा अदुगुम्बा टीम गातनी Team A दल इजरे कोई की Sacred Heart School Yairipok अदुगा Team B दना Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School कोई रहेंगे अदुगा Team C दना Little Flower School संगाई Pro हाइर बंगसी की Team A, B, and C असिदा की semi-final round असिदा खंगत लबा winner अदुना मथंग की final round अदुदा नसी की Brainwave Quiz की season 1 की winners उएरक पसुयाय अदुगा top scorer की मनासु लाइबनी ना नसी की लाइबा Team A, B, and C अहुमक्ता कोना यामना वखन ताना answer सिंग असी याम चुमना खुंबिरक ना बनिंग जरी ngasigi semi-final round asida koi round se punna taruk thokna khaidok chei round taruk asida ahan ba round asidi koi general awareness round ni account opening round round 2 dana current affairs and home round ni round 3 dana audio and visual round 4 dana buzzer round 5 dana mixed bag round aduga aroi boina round 6 dana rapid fire round ni koi ki round 1 asi ihan han lokhat chadringai mangoin na koi ki team sing asigi lairiba koi ki participants sing ming laifam amasung isa gi standard sing koi ki viewers sing da khanghan bagi tanja du logjage team A dagi hobisi team A
I am Ophelia. Today I am presenting Team A Sacred School Yairipok. I will be studying in class 9.
I am Jessica Thangzam representing Sacred School Yairipok and I will be studying in class 9.
okay, team B
I am Abhinanda representing Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School and I am 10.
I am Alasya Belananda from class 8 representing Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School.
I am Ranthongami Chanu representing the Flower School. I am from Epoch 17 and I am in 10th standard.
I am Juveni Ahivam from Senior Mematak Chongtham Laikai. I am currently studying in Little Flower School in 10th standard.
okay thank you so much team A, B, and C aduga hariba team sing ase horen answer khumma matamda koi gi microphone du da yam phajana isa gi khonjel adu ta na ba hai tare ko khumbiu adi answer do phajan ta draga di koi mark pibam su khangoi da bani na koi yam mayek sengna khumbiu habdo hana haijage aduga round 1 ase koi hauna na ba tawjarage du team sing ready laibire ko okay round 1 that is general awareness round koi gi han round account opening round haina su khangna ba duni akoi team sing adu da koi gi every team sing adu da koi direct question amamam adum chance pijagani direct question asida option mari laigani option mari sing asida koi ne ahan ba karigumba chance adu da ahan ba chance adu karigumba khumbir ba taragana koi gi team adu da 10 points aduga same team duna ahan ba chance to the kumbangam how the bataragana, Anisuba chance, Amukhana Pizagani, Aduda Kayuba Chuna Kumbira Pataraga, 5 points. High round a siki question sing chance, Asida Kogi passed on questions, ki chance to the Akoi Lazeroi Aduna, P. Diba chance, Anidu the team sing Aduna Chumna, Kumbiraknaba, Aduma Nixing Jerry, Ahan Bagi round general awareness round Sigi options 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Higher option Marie as the team A, the Han in team A option Marie is the Amaka choose to be
2.
Okay, option 2. Your question is how many sessions are held in a year in Lok Sabha? Option A 1, option B 2, option C is 4, and option D is 3. Your countdown will start now.
D.
D. Answer is 3, so the answer is correct. Aduna team A do the ahama chance to the dumag yam chumno kumbirakpana koi full points adu team A da koi pijagani. Next team is team B. Team B koi Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School lemhoriba options ina 1, 3, and 4 ni ama choose to be
3.
Okay, option 3 choose to be the A. Your question is Khurram was the original name of which of the following kings? Option A Jahangir, option B Shah Jahan, option C Akbar, option D Ashoka. Your countdown will start now.
Jahangir.
Jahangir. Have the option A. The answer is not correct. Aduna we'll give you a second chance. Ani suna chance amuk pizagani aduna yamuna khanbiu. Your countdown will start now.
Shah Jahan.
Saha Jahan hana kumbire option B, that is a correct answer. Aduna koi bonus points adu team B da koi bijagani. So the final question goes to team C, that is option 1 and 4 lemhori asidagi ama khanbi.
1.
Okay, 1. Your question is, which mineral is known as brown diamond? Option A, lignite. Option B is mica. Option C is pyrite. And option D is fluorite. Your countdown will start now.
B.
B. So you have chosen option B, that is mica, which is not the right answer. Aduna amuka hana chance, ani suba chance lady. So your countdown will start now.
A.
A. Okay, the answer is correct. That is lignite. The brown lignite is also known as brown diamond. Aduna team C asida koi bonus points adu numak pizagani. That was the final question of the first round, that is the general awareness round, account opening round. So moving on to the next round, haibdi mathangi round asida akoina current affairs and home round. Current affairs to ga akogi home round Manipur the best of question sing asi animak punchalaga round 2 asi question asi semjabani aduna round 2 asi dana koi ngasi team sing A B amasung C sida lairiba team sing sida koi direct question oina asida handakti options latrabani na akogi karigumba direct question amamamdu da chumna khumbirapa taragana koi 10 points pijagani aduga khumbangam howdaba taragana handakti mathangi team du da koi pass tawjagani question se karigumba pass tawriba questions adugi answer do chumna khumbirapa taragadi koi 5 points oina bonus marks pijagani. So every team will get each a direct question. So let us start the next round, that is the current affairs and home round. We have the 4 options 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the screen. Team B dagi hojage, team B option number choose to be
2.
Okay, to choose to be A. The question is, when did Manipur come under the British rule? Your countdown will start now.
1894. 1894.
1894.
84.
1884. Okay, Lali, it is wrong. So we'll move on to the next team, that is team C. For the same question, your countdown will start now.
1829.
1829 is also not the right answer. Team A the lagsage. Team A, the question is, when did Manipur come under the British rule? So your countdown will start now.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, team A, B, amsung C ahumagna kumbangam kidire. The correct answer is it was on the 12th April 1891. I'm close. The exact answer is 1891. So we have option 1, 3, 4 and 1, 3 and 4 left. Team C the lagsarge, team C direct question ni team C option choose to be
4.
Okay, 4. Your question is, what is India's current rank in the global economy? The countdown will start now. What is India's current rank in the global economy?
7th.
7 is not the correct answer. The question is passed on to team A. Team A, your countdown will start now.
9.
9 is also not the right answer. Team B dong lagsage, team B
136.
136. That is not the right answer. I'm sorry to say. Team A, B, amsung C, the right answer is 5th. India gi global economy is the India say 5th ranking the lay. So the last question goes to team A. Team A option 1 and 3 lemhori duna team A na sidigi option number khanbi gini
1.
1. Okay. Your question is, with which country did India sign an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, recently against human trafficking? Your countdown will start now.
USA.
Okay, wrong, and your time is up. Aduna team B the lagsage, team B. With which country did India sign an MOU recently against human trafficking? Countdown will start.
Japan. Japan.
It is wrong. Team C. Now countdown will start now.
Myanmar.
Myanmar. Okay. Myanmar is the correct answer. And Myanmar is the correct answer. India ga human trafficking memorandum of understanding agreement adu sign tawni kibani. So congratulations Team C. So that was all for the second round. Adona round 1 amasung round 2 hariba round ani si loikraba matungi akogi team singi oiba phibam team singi score gi oiba phibam mayam punna amtang mathangi round hariba di third round chathajingai mangjauna no khoi mayam punna khangminasi yam close oina chatnadi haiba tare. Team A, Sacred Heart School Yairipok with 10 points. Team B, Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School Korenga with just 5 points. And Team C, Little Flower School Shanghai Pro is also running in the same score with Team A, that is 10 points. Aduna Team A, B, amasung C yam naksinana lairi. Next round, akoigi mathangi round haizabadi audio and visual round. Audio and visual round asidi amuk lakcharge hanadi akoigi audio amasung visual round se koi tongan audio gi round ama visual gi round ama tawjaramani ba handakti punna punchille aduna audio natragana visual oirakpa yai koi options mari choose tawri baduda hai tare ko koi team sing aduna ai team C dagi lakchage. Team C gi akoigi options 1 2 and 3 and 4 lairiba asida team C dagi option ama hana choose tawbiu. For the correct answer will have 10 points. Asidasu pass on adum lairiko pass tawragana 5 bonus points. Team C
3.
3. Okay, I think it is in audio. Aduna mayam punna audio se hanam tang taminasi.
Imagi mamau ai haku thajau ai se nang di oi dauri ni nong dambana shamlambani imagi mamau ai haku thajau.
Okay, akoi hojik Manipur gi adumak maming lairaba film amakak ke akoi isai amakak audio tajagre ko. Haiba film adu kari film no, name the film. That is the question. Your countdown will start now. Name the film.
Imagi Ningthem.
Imagi Ningthem is not the correct answer. Duna team A da lakcharge team A.
Lamja Pasram.
Lamja Parshuram is the correct answer. Duna koigi hojiki isai adu koigi ke haitare koigi pa Kunjoy Kumar amsung aramam jamuna mukaina adumaina sakpi khiba yamna maming leiraba isai ni aduga film adusu yam maming leiraba film Lamja Parshuram haiba film adugi isai ni team A. Congratulations. Mathangi question asisu team A da adumak lakchage. It is a direct question for team A. Option na 1 2 ga 4 ni option ama choose to
2.
2. Okay, we have a visual. Visual amakak laire koi picture asida. Your question will be identify the plant. Your countdown will start now.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit is the correct answer. And then the team A ne amchumna kumbire, that is the dragon fruit. So congratulations. Mathangi question na mulak charge team B. Team B ki direct question ni option 1 and 4 lem hauri. Ama choose to be
4.
4. Okay, we have a visual again. Akoi visual asida misak amakaki. Akoi picture amakak only. Aduna identify the person is your question. Your countdown will start now.
Pass.
Pass. Okay, team C.
B. Jayantakumar Sharma.
B. Jayantakumar Sharma is the correct answer. Kam chumna kumbirei koi gi pamung asi amna maming lairaba Manipur gi adungba lyrics amakak ne koi gi Imalibak Manipur ga koi patriotic song mayam leji koi pabung sina ibi khibani ko aduna yam maming lairaba adugumba lyrics amakak ni kam chumna kumbirei team C na, so we'll have to give the bonus points to team C. So that was all for audio and visual round. Audio and visual round asi loikraba matung ki mathangi round sida koi ne am interesting oiba round ni buzzer round adubu buzzer round si chacha jingai mamang da koi gi round team kudimak ki ko score gi phimam uka hana khangmina si round 3 loiba matung da team singi score gi oiba phimam team A is leading with 25 points. Team C is running second with 15 points. And team B with just 5 points. Aduna team A, B, amsung C mathangi lakadoriba round asing sida fazana adumag you are running very closely haijaba tare ko. Mathangi round buzzer round ni adubu buzzer round asi chacha jingai mangjaw na akoina atim break am khang lojage. So we'll be right back. Keep watching Impact TV. So welcome back to Impact TV presents the Brainwave Quiz Season 1, presented to you by Lamjingba Youth Development Association, Yairipok, Angtha. Akoy ngasi pangthok chariba quiz contest asi akoy gi takhalimam konjin yang thangda leiba sangai bazar gi debala multipurpose auditorium hall manung dani round third loi khraba matung gi scores team singi team A Sacred Heart School Yairipok na mangjok thana akoy gi 25 points na lead tawri aduga team C Little Flower School sangai pro na 15 points Pangduna ko gi second position da lady aduga team B Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School Korengai asina 5 points Pangduna ko gi third position da adumak chatli mathangi round asi round 4 ni round 4 asi buzzer round ni buzzer round asi da team A B amasung C ko gi lady bo options mari asi aina pathorakani ko aina options sing mari mak pathok charakani aduda ahan karigumba question si hek pathok pa loirba matungda team adudagi karigumba khangbiba yauragadi buzzer ado hana press tawbibaduda akoina chance ado pigani karigumba chumna khumbirakpa taragana will give you 10 points ado karigumba lalamba taragadi will give you a negative points of -5 ado nyam cheksinna khumbiyu aduga buzzer se hana namsillaga kona khallaga answer khumba adu yade aduduna akoigi adugi chance ado akoina disqualify tawjagani aduna team sing adu question hana munna taraba matungda yam chumna khumbirak anu haina haijage. So we'll start the buzzer round, that is the fourth round. Team Sing ready, let it go. Okay. So we have the options 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll start with option 1. That is, during which Manipuri king's reign did Santidas Gosai come to Manipur to preach Hinduism? Okay.
Pamhaiba.
Okay, the Team C answer from Biro.
Pamhaiba.
Pamhaiba, okay. King Pamhaiba.
No, Charadongba.
No, it is correct. King Pamhaiba is correct. It is correct. Do not worry. Dubo, aina hage tarumba sina koi ki question se koi paaba loijingai da hana khumbira kanu ko ade koi handak aham chu oibani na dum haihau da bagini na logjarage dubo paaba hek loiraba matungda akoi ki kaino countdown ama lakani hai tare ko ando paaba hek loiraba matungda da dumak press tawbirau but we'll give you the points. Team C, you have answered it correctly. That is King Pamhaiba. Okay, so keep calm and keep get ready for the next question. Options lemhoriba 2, 3 and 4 ko. Mathangi option se mathangi question lokhat chage. I'll go with question number 3. Question number 3. The question is, paleontology is the study of what? Your countdown will start now. Paleontology is the study of what? Karama makhalgi study no paleontology haiba subject asi. Okay, akoi team A, B amsung C ahumak se khangdre na logjarage. Yare ko. So the answer is fossils ko. Fossils ki matang na koi study tawriba adugumba subject subo koi na paleontology haina khangnai. So anyway, we'll move on to the next question. The options is 2 and 4, so we'll go with first option number 2. The question is, which is the largest bone in the human body?
Femur.
Femur. I am not sure na haida bidi kitang tap na.
Femur.
Femur. Okay. It is correct. Aduna team C. Thigh bone haiba ko femur sina. The largest bone ni ko human body da. Congratulations. So option ama katang ngai haure. Option 4. Ready laibiro. Ready laibiro haiba tare ko pathok chara age. Option 4. Your question is, what is the metal used to make the filaments of bulbs called? Okay, C again.
Tungsten.
Tungsten. Right, okay, tungsten is the correct answer. Congratulations, Team C. That was all for the fourth round, that is the buzzer round. Buzzer round asida koi team asisina performance educative hadi agamba question asi team sina khumbi khre adubu buzzer round asi loirabaso khoi gi mathangi round sing mix bag amasung rapid fire laire team A amasung B mark lakhat pa yabagi chance adumuk laire duna ninghan naba tawbidana mathangi round asida adum chathajarage adubu round 5 asa lactringe mangjaw na team singi oibi phiba mayam punna amtang hana khangminasi. Okay, so after the fourth round, that is the buzzer round, we have a change in the score. Obviously, with Team C, Little Flower School Sangay Pro is leading with 45 points, and Team A, that is Sacred Heart School Yairipok, is still with just 25 points, and Team B, Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School Korengay, is still lagging behind with 5 points. Aduna mathangi round, haibadi mixed bag round, yamna interesting oiba round ama khakni. Akoina mixed bag round asida question C Mari Legani, question Mari, Sida Koina, every team Kudimakta Koina chance, direct question gi chance Mamam Pigani, Kariguma Chumna Kumbirapa Targadi, Akoi, team Aduda direct oina, 15 points Pizagani. High question is the option Mangale, option Manga Dudagi, first chance to the Kumbiragadi 15 points, Aduga passed on Tawani Kariguma Kumbangam Dragana. Passed on questions so that the first chance will get 10 points. Aduga next team to the passed or the third team has a batarico. Anirakshuna passed or gana akoina 5 points. Aduna 15, 10 amasung 5 key mark allocation ni. Aduna team sing kudimak mark loinamak pangbayabagi chance adugumba round amakakni mix back any ground amakaktagi koini any field amakaktagi question si oiramba yai. Aduna let us get ready. I'll start with team A. Team A dagi haujage ko options lairiba 1, 2, 3 and 4 ni team A option number choose to view.
1.
1. So your question is, Sindhi, Sahiwal and Karen Swiss are all breeds of which animal? Option A, goats. Option B, sheep. Option C, cows. Option D, camels. Option E, horses. Your countdown will start now.
C.
Option C. Option C, cows, which is the correct answer. Aduna team A do the koi full points have the 15 points. So the team A the koi pizagani. So the next question goes for team B. Team B the lagchage koi option number choose to view.
4.
4. All right. Let us see what is the question. The word computer usually refers to the central processing unit plus. Option A, input device. B, output device. C, power supply. D, internal memory. E, external memory. Your countdown will start now. What is the option again? A. Okay. Okay, it is not the correct answer. No, we have to pass on the question to team C. Team C, for the same question, your countdown will start now.
D.
D. That is the internal memory, which is the correct answer. To team C na second chance ta haiza batare chumna khumbirak pana koi 10 points adu team C the pizagani. We have the same direct question for team C again. We have 2 and 3 options left. Choose your question.
3.
Okay, 3. Which toxic elements is present in automobile exhaust? A, carbon monoxide. B, phosphorus. C, radium. D, plutonium. And E, lead.
A.
Okay, A. That is the wrong answer. So we have to pass on the question team A. Team A, for which toxic element is present in automobile exhaust? Your countdown start now. E. E. Okay, the answer is lead. So which is correct? Aduna koi team A do the bonus points 10 points adu pizargani for the first chance the khumbirakpagi matung inna. Round 5 loi khraba matung da akoi gi team A, B amasung C adumak yam kana hona ki haib tare akoi gi yam phajana su performance PB ki team singi score gi phibam amtang mayam mangda lauthokchar ke. We have the score on the screen with 50 points. Team A, Sacred Heart School Yairipok na second position the lady. Aduga team B is with just 5 points. Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School Korengay is in the third position the lady. Aduga team C is still leading with just 5 points ahead of team A, that is 55 points. Aduna 55 points pangduna akoi gi team C is in a lead tori. So now we'll move on to the final round of the semi-finals, that is the rapid fire round. Rapid fire round, hybrid round asida akoina question set mari leijai question set mari ase koi team khudimak tagi chance amamam direct question amamam piraga akoi gi question set manga leiriba set sing asi 1 minute ki manungda loinamak khumbangam haunaba tobigadabani aduga chumna khumbirakpa taragadi akoi 10 points pizagani aduga kariumba khangdaba taragana akoi yam thuna pass tobirao but we do not have negative points leite aduga no passed on questions su leite aduna pass on questions su leite aduna let us all be alert team khudimak aduga yam phajana honamina se haibi tare ko akoi gi options 1 2 3 and 4 I team B dagi hojage Mariam Montessori Senior Secondary School option number choose to be 2 choose to be. Let us see. Okay, where was the first atomic power station set up in India? Pass. Okay, the next question, Tarapur in Maharashtra. The next question, what is the total area of Manipur? What is the total area of Manipur?
Pass.
Okay, next question, what is the state fruit of Manipur?
Pass.
Okay, the next question, when did the French Revolution takes place? When did the French Revolution take place?
Pass.
Okay, the last question is, what is the light year? Okay, your time is up. Okay, the first question to answer ko Tarapur in Maharashtra. Total area of Manipur na 22,327 square kilometer ni. State fruit of Manipur is pineapple, and French Revolution took place in 1789 ko. Aduga light year have ko gi distance traveled by a light in 1 year. Aduna team B na question manga asigi manungda ama phok khumba ngam khidre aduna next akoi gi team C da laksage. Team C lemhoriba option sing si 1 3 and 4 ni ama choose to view
1.
All right, so the first question, which gases cause acid rain? Which gas cause acid rain?
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen
Dioxide.
wrong. It is nitrogen oxide. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series?
J.K. Rowling.
J.K. Rowling, correct. Next question, hematite is one of the 2 types of iron ores found in India. What is the other type?
Pass. Next.
Okay, the next question is, who is the author of the famous story Nongdi Tarakidre?
Next.
Okay, the next question, what is the full form of AM in 9 AM?
Anti-meridian.
Anti-meridian, correct. Aduna team C na option manga gi manung da question manga sig manung da ani di am chumna khumbire e aduna team C, congratulations. The next team is team A. Team A da mung lakchage. Team A gi lem horiba option 3 and 4 ni ama khanbiu
3.
3. Okay, the first question, data information is stored in computer as.
Pass.
Okay, the next question, which type of stones can float on water?
Pass.
Okay, the next question is, what is the full form of UAE? Full form of UAE.
Pass.
Okay, pass. Okay, the next question, a map that focuses on a specific theme like population is called.
Shape ratio.
Wrong. The next question, who is known as the Melody King of Manipur? Okay. Okay, team A gi question rapid fire round asigi set asigi answer sing team A na mapo khumangam khide, but the answers are data information is stored in computer as files, and the type of stone that can float on water is called as pumice stones, And the third question dana UAE gi full form kari no na hangmani, that is the United Arab Emirates hariba aduna full form ni. Aduga the map that focuses on like population is called thematic map, and the melody king of Manipur, he is none other than Mr. Koye Paung Nomaitim Pahari Mahabuniko. So it's okay. Thank you so much, Team A. Aduga Team A na ngasigi question se asi lower bamatunda. That was the final question of the final round of the semi-finals Brainwave Quiz Season 1. Aduna Team A, B amasung sigi score khangminar bamatunda akoina ngasigi winner ado kanano habdo mayam punna khangminar si. So we have the score on the screen. So with just 5 points, we have on the third position Team B, that is Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School Korengai. On the second position, Sacred Heart School Yairipok, and obviously the winner of today's semi-finals are the team of Little Flower School Shanghai Pro, that is Team C. Congratulations, Team C, and all the best for the final rounds. So final round gi damakta all the very best. Top scorer gi manasu lairibani na adumak top scorer gi damakta su radum ready tawduna lebiu. So that was all for the semi-final round of Brainwave Quiz Season 1. See you all on the next episode of the semi-finals. This is Tenzing Bukrambam, and thank you so much for watching Impact TV.